Hey everyone, welcome back to the Better Arizona Show. I'm Sarah Karlstrom. If you have any sort of chronic pain, you're going to want to listen up because it's not something that you have to live with. That is why we're at the North Phoenix Pain Relief Center with doctors Aaron and Pierce Wyckoff. Okay, so we're talking about chronic pain today, and it is something that a lot of people go through and think there's nothing they can do about it.
What we do in this office is we do joint injections as well as muscle injections, as well as physical therapy and assisted stretching with trigger point therapy and sometimes massage therapy. And so the goal is to decrease inflammation in certain joints and thereby improving motion and thereby improving the individual quality of life.
When you say injections, are we talking steroidal?
The goal is with the steroidal injections, it's minuscule amounts of steroid injections in order for maximum effectiveness of the injections, because we follow the injections or the procedures along with the different physical therapy exercises, and we curtail it at certain treatments to what the patient needs.
I've seen patients with all types of pain. So it could be chronic, it could be acute injuries, it could be muscular pain. It could just be, you know, the mom who has kids at home who's always holding her children, who's typing on the computers. We treat issues here in this office that are decreasing our patients' quality of life. So any way we can improve that, that's what we focus on.
And you know what I like about here is that someone comes in and it's not just, they'll meet with either one of you and you'll stick with them throughout their entire treatment, and you have a team of people who are taking them through their treatment too, so they get consistency and they get a well-rounded approach. You talked to one of your patients, Kathleen, and she'd been suffering from horrible migraines, so debilitating she felt like she couldn't even get things done day to day. Anyway, listen to what she has to say.
Well, my son Tyrone is the one who referred me here, and he had had some neck pain that he was getting relief from, and he was like, Mom, why don't you at least try it? It's completely different. They do a total care versus just one specific thing. However, when I came here, they do what he said, full body care, from the chiropractic, the trigger points, the medical side of it, and they collaborate together to make you well. I'm still working on getting better, but overall, so much better. And I really have hope again, which is amazing in itself because I had lost all of that.
It's nice to hear from people like Kathleen who really were suffering and now feel so much better. I think a lot of people would like to come in, but they worry about money. Now, do you accept insurance?
Absolutely. Here at the office, we accept a real wide range of the major medical insurances.
You were talking about the injections. Kind of explain to folks what happens when they give you a call and they come on in, kind of walk us through what happens from there.
Well, first off, when a patient comes in, we always have their insurance verified prior to, so therefore the patient will always realize what their out-of-pocket expense is, and then we take a history of their present condition. So their extreme lower back pain, extreme shoulder pain, we always take a history of present condition. And then following that, we mainly take x-rays of that present condition, so shoulder x-rays or the neck x-rays, things like that. And then barring, then after the x-rays, they go right back into my office. I discuss it with the medical providers in the office, and then we develop a care plan or a treatment plan to best assist their needs. So it's not like one size fits all. There's always a specific injections for a specific area, followed by specific physical therapy. And so the goal is to improve the patient's quality of life and by increasing their activities of daily living.
If you'd like any more information, you can go to their website at northphoenixpainreliefcenter.com. Certainly give them a call because it's worth being pain-free and enjoying life as you should. Thank you, doctors. Appreciate the information.
Thank you.
And the Better Arizona Show will be right back.